Hey friends, this is Renu Mahajan and I welcome you to my channel. How would you like to make this wonderful gourmet Indian dish? It is called Methi Matar Malai and we are going to use fenugreek leaves, spinach and cream to make this wonderful yummy dish. And I wanted to say that the fenugreek has lots of health benefits and it is primarily used in three ways. The leaves can be used as herbs once you have dried them. The seeds can be ground into your seasoning and the plant itself can be used as a side dish for your dinner table as a vegetable. Now the health benefits are that it balances your cholesterol, it soothes your upset stomach or digestion. It also reduces muscle pain and the menstrual cramps, and it also reduces your fat mass. And the second main ingredient that I'm going to use is spinach. And spinach is packed with vitamin A, C and K, magnesium and iron as well. And it may benefit your eye health and reduce blood pressure levels. All the ingredients that I'm using I will put down in my description and you can take all the ingredient list from there. So let's take the pan and I have taken 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of the cumin seeds, and I'm going to do it on medium high. Once it splutters, let's add onions. It is 1 medium sized onion chopped finely, and saute it until it is transparent and slightly browned. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so now and also press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. So see, our onions are done and we are going to add crushed ginger 1 spoon and crushed garlic as well. Now add the tomatoes. It is 1 cup of crushed tomatoes. Let it cook until the masala, the gravy leaves the sides. Looks pretty good. We are going to add salt, little bit of turmeric powder, the chili powder, the coriander powder and the allspice. And all of these I have taken 1 small teaspoon. The masala is getting ready. Now we are going to add some peas. I have taken half a cup of the frozen peas. Going to add my crushed spinach. Just took 1 cup of crushed spinach. And my last ingredient is the fenugreek seeds, which I'm going to, these are dried leaves. And you can get this dried kasuri methi from any of the Indian stores. Now I have added 2 cups of water and I'm going to cover it and let it stay for 6 to 8 minutes at medium heat. And as you can see, our dish is ready. I'm adding 1 cup of cream and it is emanating such wonderful, delicious aroma. We didn't talk about the benefits of peas. The peas are better, it has higher levels of protein than the carrots, and they are a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin A, iron, and folate, and also vitamin C. And one of the health benefits is that it controls your blood sugar as well. As you can see, our dish is almost ready, and the water has dried up. We are ready to serve it now. I'm going to dish it out and I'll serve it hot. You can serve it with roti, naans, parathas, or even the bread. See what a wonderful dish to have on a dining table. I'm just going to put a little bit of cream on top to garnish it, and the chopped cilantro that I had. Our dish is ready, guys. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and also push the bell icon for notifications. It's delicious. It has a little bit of sweetness to it too because of the cream. A wonderful gourmet dish. Thanks for watching my channel. I'll see you next time with another wonderful recipe. Bye for now.